Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn off and disable filter or comment settings on your TikTok account. So if in the past or previously you choose to filter all of the comments on your TikTok video so that you need to so the comments will be hidden unless you already approve them. You can just change the settings if you change your mind. For example, you don't want to filter or comments again and you want to just let others comment on your video. You can follow these steps right here. So first, let's just launch the the TikTok app. And then here uh, you can just go straight to your profile, and on your profile page in here you can just tap on the three lines icon at the top right corner right here. Go to the settings and privacy, tap on that, and in here you just need to go to the privacy settings under the account section. Just click on that, and here you can just scroll down, and under the interaction you'll find commands. So to find command settings, you can just tap on that, and as you guys can see, I will currently turn on the filter or comments, so recent comments on my video will be hidden unless I approve them, and it will be limited to 5 changes per day. So if you change your mind, and I think you don't change your mind more than 5 times, so after that you cannot change it again. So let's just turn it off or disable it by clicking on this dots right here until it turns into gray, just like that. And now the setting has been updated and the filter or commands has been disabled. So now everyone can comment on my TikTok videos, and there is no filter attached to my comment. And that's pretty much all. That's how you can disable or turn off the the filter or comments on your TikTok account. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. So if you guys think so, please don't forget to click on the thumbs up icon, leave a comment if you have any question, and also to support us, you don't forget to click on the thanks and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.